Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Mitchell Ringos and you should subscribe to my channel because I say so. And today we are doing a photography vlog. I'm going there with the one and only Kristen Bruno.
What's up?
There's our Instagram. Here's my Instagram. Make sure to go follow both. We are going down to the marina in our local town, Thunder Bay, where we know there is a whole bunch of wood sticks coming out of the ground in a symmetrical fashion. I don't know how to explain it, but
Sounds really weird.
we're going there and we're gonna show you exactly how cool it is. We're gonna film a TikTok and some photos, so we're gonna take you along for the journey and hopefully you enjoy.
See you there.
Okay, so we are currently up over here. This is one of the most famous photography spots in Thunder Bay. You've been up here, eh?
No? Actually, yeah, we have.
We've been here once.
You were able to drive up your car before.
Yeah, before you could drive up your car, but
They just don't want people parking.
yeah, they don't want people just sitting up here doing stuff. They don't really even want people up here because it's a safety risk. Because if you see these giant rocks here, pretty sure they just don't want people falling on them. But down here is one of the coolest things that you could ever see. And it's a bit steep here. I remember it being very steep, so you're gonna have to be careful. I'll help you. We gotta go down here. So this is what it looks like in here. So like right up on this corner, there's actually a cool spot. So this is pretty awesome actually. I haven't been here in a very long time. A very, very long time. So this is the sticks that we're talking about. There's a whole bunch of them. It looks over the view of the sleeping giant. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at you posing. Hey.
I didn't even mean to.
So we are going to take a couple of pictures here and we're also make a TikTok. So I'm gonna set up my camera back there and I'm just gonna record what we're doing. So we just finished up taking pictures here at this crazy spot. As you can see, these giant rocks we just took a picture of. These are the pictures we got right here.
All right. I'll tell you the truth.
So I hope you enjoyed this small photography vlog. We had a lot of fun coming here and getting some content. And if you like this footage, maybe we'll come back and go on top of that bridge one day. I've never been able to get up, but we'll try. How do you think it went, Kristen?
Good. It's a nice sunny day, so.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to stay positive, keep creating, and until next time,
Peace.